Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to add your favorite stores on Rakuten account. So first we're going to open the Rakuten app. You guys can find it in the App Store or Play Store. Then here we're going to click on the account section on the lower right corner. Then here we're going to scroll downwards until we find privacy preferences. And we're going to click on it. Then next we're going to click on favorite stores. So it's going to list you some of the stores here. All you have to do is click on the heart button. So it's going to make it your favorite. So all you have to do is click on the heart button. There are a lot of options as well. You guys could also click on favorite stores and see your current favorite stores you've added. So that's how you basically do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.